Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and I hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today here I am with a S3 Plus SSD USB Type-C, and in terms of build quality, as you can see, made of brushed aluminium, and it's the size basically of a USB thumb drive. Well, a little bit bigger, but fits well on the palm of my hand. If I want to use it on a pocket, it's really easy. You can just place it on my pants and there we go, or any other pocket that we use. And in terms of speeds, what I can share with you, all the tests that I made, I was getting roughly 400 megabytes per second on reads and 350 megabytes per second on writes. So decent speeds if we want to, I don't know, exchange files from one side to the other side. It's great if we want to save space in terms of physical dimensions but have a bigger space in terms of storage. This one right over here has 960 gigabytes, but there is also versions available from 240 gigabytes. I will leave a link down below so that you guys can check specifications, prices and everything else. One thing that I would like to mention here is that the cable that comes with this disc is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A. So if you use an older computer with only USB Type-A, you will be fine. If you use a computer like I do with only USB Type-C, then we have two choices. One is using an adapter like we do, but I would avoid this and I would get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, probably smaller than this one that I've got right over here. But I would be cautious on the type of cables that we get, because I also have a few cables here and I did test out with one of them. I can show you that on screen, and I was getting really bad results, and I'm talking about roughly 30 megabytes per second. So just be aware, if you are getting this SSD right over here or any other SSD with USB Type-C, be careful with the cable that you get, because those cheap cables sometimes they are more expensive, because we will have to buy that one and then we will have to buy a better one to get the normal results. And basically this is it, a small form factor with some really interesting speeds, great build quality. We can put it anywhere and then just take our data. Links down below with specifications and price. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.